Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. Today I will be going over some big news impacting the crocheting world that has gotten a lot of people, including myself, very upset. As you may all know, Joann's has filed for bankruptcy for the second time, and there seems to be no recourse of action to save the 500 of the 800 stores that are closing nationwide. According to the list that was released, 10 of the stores within my area are to close as well. Luckily, the one store near me has been spared, and so I will be going there for my shopping needs until they decide to close that location as well, which I hope does not happen. Joann's got their start in the Cleveland area and has been growing ever since. Joann's is currently headquartered in Hudson, Ohio, with a distribution center right next door to the corporate office on Route 91. If anyone in the Northeast Ohio area is watching this and is familiar with the area. I know there are several other options that are at our disposal for our shopping needs, but none of them offer the vast array of yarn, crocheting supplies, and other crafting tools that Joann's does. If I had to rate the other available choices, it'd be Amazon first, Michaels second, and Hobby Lobby third. I mean, they all have their pros and cons in regards to crafting supplies. I just prefer Amazon over the other two because they have just about any kind of supplies I need: yarn, crochet hooks, other tools, and etc. I do venture into Michaels and Hobby Lobby on occasion. I do like Hobby Lobby's brand of yarn that they have out, and it's very easy to work with in my opinion, and it comes in a vast array of colors, patterns, and weights. But they don't carry any of the mainstream brands like Red Heart, Lion Brand, and so on. Of course, I could be wrong in that assertion. So, in conclusion, I will keep shopping at my local Joann's until they close their doors for good, and I will be on the lookout for those going out of business sales, so I plan on stocking up. I will also be doing some yarn haul and some review videos in the future, so stay tuned for those. As crocheters and crafters, we will persevere, adapt to the changing world, and yarn bomb the ever-loving crap out of it. So that's all I have for now, and if I do see any other future crocheting news that is very valuable to all of us, I will definitely bring that to everyone's attention post-haste. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comments, and as a reminder, this is a safe space and a place of creativity and positivity, so please do not leave any negative or derogatory comments of any kind. With that being said, take care of yourself and each other.